going on YouTube? It's your boy S1K Marcy. Welcome to my first official YouTube video where I'm talking, I'm doing more, I'm out and about. We are going to a meet, as in we, see, there's all my buddies right there. We are going to a meet in Orange County at SoCal Superbikes. Apparently GIXXER BRAH is gonna be there, so that's the main reason I'm going, if I'm being honest. But if you have questions, if you have anything, please let me know in the comments of what I should talk about, what I should do. Anything that'll help me improve on my channel, because I am very serious about wanting to start this. I go to meets almost every weekend. I do multiple stuff. I'm willing to do anything. So I will be working on my channel and growing it. I will be posting mainly probably bike meets, going out and about. But if you guys want me to make a Q&A, if you guys want me to do anything, let me know. Put in the comments down below. Another undercover police. But yeah, let me know. Currently, we are all running no plates at all. I don't know. If you're in a group, I feel like you shouldn't run a plate. Just because they're more likely to target groups. Even if you're doing nothing, they're going to target groups. Just because you're in a group. Hopefully my microphone is doing good. If I need to get a new microphone, it is what it is. If I need to figure out how to upgrade my microphone quality, because I know it ain't going to be good. What is my bike? My bike is a little abused 2022 S1000 RR. It has a lot of forged carbon fiber all over it. It is wrapped, as you see. I didn't really do a good job. I'm kidding. My buddy did it, but the first day of riding it, I got impounded. My bike got impounded for a 30-day hold, literally from almost nothing. I was cruising in Newport Beach with some friends. We were recording some videos for Instagram, and here I am. I didn't see the police officer, and all I did was, that's it. Like my wheel went up, down. That's it. Just went. That's it. He impounded the bike, took me to jail, did all that. So that happened. So since then, I got the bike back about 2 weeks ago. It was all not destroyed, but it wasn't in the best condition. Definitely could be better. Also, another fact about me, I crashed right there into the dirt. On that side, obviously. On that side of the highway, I crashed right there. See all those skid marks against the wall? I crashed into the wall, into the dirt. Oh look, another bike! Sir, you got some bikes behind you. Thank you, sir. I love traffic so much. It is so nice. Right, just doing this. It just feels so good. Hello there. Person. This is the worst way to be in Whoa! I was not expecting that. Boing, 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 boing. I see a stunter. See, look, even police. See, look. Thank you, police. Even police don't care that we're on these yellow lights. Not like they can really find us. Not find us, but like they can... Not like they can really follow us, but still. It is not bad. I was like, well, you're on the yellow line. It's like, okay. Police, like, they don't care. Police that do it themselves. The bike police. See, even bike traffic, they get out of the way. Thank you, sir. My back is my pillow. Alright, calm down. That was a very long ride. Here's the bike. Hopefully the camera can blur. My shoes. Woo! Alright. I'm still on lit mode. Damn, boy. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Yo! Here, bro. Holy fuck, there's so much people here. What's up? H2. H2. Moto Jesus. Bro, I thought you were fucking one of my buddies, so I was about to slam your helmet. I'm like, wait, that's not you. I was like I was getting ready to fucking I was like, well, think of him at least.
Gonna be with somebody you don't know?
Huh? I thought it was him. See? See? I was gonna be like, God.
He was ready just to slap your shit.
I thought it was you. I thought he was you, so I was gonna go like, God. I'm like, wait.
Just some random dude just going.
Well, you have your helmets the same, so I was like, shit. That's a nice ass helmet. Huh. Devin!
They have a forged carbon?
I think it's this helmet. But he got rid of all the thing and put the sparkles in it and glossed it.
Yeah, you can tell. Look.
Yeah, because look, that's, yeah.
That looks a lot better though. Looks a lot better.
That's what I wanted to do, but I don't know how to do it.
I got a bunch of
God damn. I'm stuck here. Oh, I'm stuck.
That's why my name's NF Tyler.
Bam, bam, bam.
Hey, man. Any way I can get a picture with you, bro?
Yeah, fuck it.
I've been fanboying over this all day.
Really?
I followed you since like 30K.
Thank you. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Got a video of them taking a picture.
I know, I need that. Ain't no way. What the fuck? What?
You made it. You made it.
Let's go. The one with the yellow lights. Yeah, the red one.
You're crazy. Why is the lights on?
Just cause.
Isn't about the battery?
Nah. I do it everywhere all the time. I do it all the time everywhere. It doesn't kill it. Doesn't.
How long have you been doing this?
Bro, I've left it on there for like at a full event for 5 hours and it turned right on like nothing.
What the hell?
Yeah. I'm not lying. My key's not in it.
But like what?
My key's not in it.
Why is it on? Is it like it's used?
No. There's a little secret trick with the thing that if you turn the key on and turn it off and hold left on the turn signal, it'll turn the lights on. So you don't have to have the key in.
What? And then how do you turn that out?
You just turn the key on and off.
Oh, okay, let me see it.
So yeah. So turn the key on. And then turn the key off and hold left onto that. So turn the key off and then hold. And then look. What's up? So yeah.
Why on the bike is up? That's crazy. I am a menace. And I'm also like this. I got a question.
What up?
What's up?
Oh shit.
What's up, bro?
What's up? How you doing?
You get here?
Nah, I got here like 20 minutes ago.
Okay.
What's up?
That thing's hot as fuck, bro.
I want to race him.
I don't want to fuck you.
Whoa! Hey! God damn!
No way!
I'm gonna get one of these today. Huh?
I'm talking to you. I'm popping my shit with a capital P. SRT, red eye, red key. Might be ugly, but my bitch bright. She ain't even sneeze, but still I bless. I don't like niggas.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
No.
Yeah.
I don't know how much.
You just punched, dumbass.
I'm not gonna bear no bad. I'll just like.